There are a lot of great reasons to work at eXp Realty. Today, I'm going to discuss one of the most impactful things in our lives, eXp stock. But before we get started, and if you like what you have to see, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell. Hi, my name is Ray Henson, and I work at eXp Realty. I've worked here for about 2 years now. There's a lot of great benefits to working at eXp Realty, but today I just want to talk about the one that's been most impactful for our family, and that would be the eXp stock. In this instance, I'm really not talking about the stock price. It can go up, down. I've got no crystal ball. I don't know where it's going to end up. But what I want to really talk about are the different ways you can purchase stock within this company or be awarded stock in this company, and how you could increase your net worth over the next few years working here at eXp Realty. So the first way you can get stock here at this company is eXp is a multinational company. It's in numerous countries. It's expanding pretty rapidly in those countries, and you can buy the stock on the NASDAQ exchange. I have done that a little bit my first year, a little bit my second year. I really love the idea of being part owner of the company that I work at, and this is also the company that I know the best, so I think it's a great idea to invest here. Now there's some ways you can get awarded stock at this company, and some of them are pretty easy. First sale of the year, you get a little bit of stock. When you cap, you get a little bit of stock. When you sponsor an agent and then they go out and do their first transaction, you get a little bit more stock. The last way you can get awarded stock here at eXp is you can become what's called an icon agent. An icon agent caps, then they do about 20 transactions more, and once they do that, they can qualify for earning up to all their cap money back. There's a couple of cultural requirements that they need to fulfill, maybe go to a couple events, maybe become a mentor, but our cap here is $16,000, and when you become an icon agent and you do those cultural events, then you can get up to $16,000 back awarded to you in a grant, stock grant. There are some vesting periods, some different periods for vesting, so you have to stay at eXp for a couple, 3 years before you're awarded those shares of stock. But it's a great way to increase your net worth. I've done the first 3 things. I made in my first sale. I've got stock when I capped, and I have received stock when I sponsored an agent. Now, the last way you can get stock in this company, and the one that's been most impactful for our family, is you can purchase stock at a 10% discount with 5% of each commission that you earn. I started that right when I moved into eXp, and I have to tell you that I did 3 or 4 transactions before I even realized that they were taking any money out. And I can tell you over the last 2 years, it's been very impactful for our family. It's really helped our net worth. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Again, my name is Ray Henson. If you have any questions about eXp or eXp stock or working here at the company, don't hesitate to give me a call. My contact information is in the comments below. If you really liked what you had to see today, I'd sure appreciate it if you would like, share, or subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. And if you really liked it, take a look at another one of my videos.